Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We've got a nice kick cylinder today we're going to do. It is a gantry lock, challenged by Gantry. There we go. On the other side it says you'll never forget your first. So it's either his first challenge lock or it's just what he's called this one. Which is pretty cool. Mummified key. But before we start, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk and you'll find me on Discord. I'll book a few of us on there as Lock Sport Community and on Lockpicking and Lock Sport at UKLP. Yeah, great forums, all of them, great guys, very kind, will help you out. Absolute awesome community as well to get involved in. If you like what's in my channel, you want to see some more, please hit the subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week from picking locks to challenge locks to tutorials, all types of lock stuff related really. See if we can get in this. Also, that my giveaway challenge, I've decided for definitely the box of padlocks, we'll do a destructive challenge for that, and the other one I've not decided yet. I've got to think of something, try and think of something fairly good for it. That'll be fun. But I'm not going to do the challenges just yet. We've got a few people doing their own challenges at the moment, Bobby Keys and that, and West Coast Picks. And I'd rather let their challenges finish and then I can start mine, because people get busy and you can't. Not everybody could do all the challenges all at once, so I'll let them run their course and then we'll sort out my challenge. So we can get this picked. So we're going to use a homemade tension wrench, which was a hex key. I love this because it's very rigid, so it gives me every minute little tiny click tells me what's going on. And I'm going to use a very nice, or very beautiful hook that I got from Mr. Daz Evers. See what we can do is lock. A little click on one. Or a reset or something. Not right. And there we are, we're open. Wow. Oh. That was absolutely mental, that was one tricky lock. It just got locked up the other way completely. But we're gonna I'll do that. We're gonna try and find out what is in it. And let's get this tape off. And there's the bit in. Very nice bit in. Well, we've got the key so we can lock it back up. Oh, looks really smooth one way and the other way. So I'm detecting a key pin. Oh, bloody hell. There we go. Knocking my phone over. I'm going to need a proper shim for this. That was a very tricky pick. Well done, Gantry, my friend. You did an awesome job on that. I'm losing shims. I need to get a follower to do this job. There we go. Make sure you get the spring out the back so we don't lose it. Let's put the key in, let's get the shim. Let's, excuse me, happier turning that to the counter. Let's have a look. Are we going to get any trouble with this shim? I think we're going to have some trouble. So I might have to go for a thinner one. Just 1 second. There we go. Got the shim in. That was a right struggle. There we go. So let's have a look what we got. First one just needed to the slightest touch. Everything else had to be picked. See what we've got. Very nice race keeping. Very nice spooled keeping. That's where I got that massive false set. Another serrated keeping. Very nice. And another spooled, steel spooled keeping. See what we've got in here. Threading in 1, we've got counter milling in 2, threading in 3, threading in 4, and counter milling in 5. Very nice work, Gantry, my friend. Now let's see what we've got. And take out. I've got a very nice serrated driver in 1. Steel spring. What have we got into? Got another driver. Very nice driver, but yeah, that's going to be your drunken spool. The spring won't come out on that. I'm not going to force it out. Very nice. Deeply serrated on 3. 4. Got another serrated. I was just checking. I thought like they were floating wafers then. They're really nice. A very deep spool. You went here. Let's have a look. And no, that one goes there. There we go. Yeah, the other two springs I can't get. I'm not going to force them out. And we've got counter milling in 5, threaded in 6. 5 counter mill, 4 threaded, 3 counter milled, 2 counter milled, and 1 threaded. Awesome work on that lock, my friend. That was didn't have put up a fight. That it was really enjoyable though. So we've got a very deep serrated keeping, some little serrations. We've got a spooled keeping. We've got some small serrations on that keeping. On this one we've got some deep but short serrations, and we've got another very cool steel spool keeping. Just double checking because these actually look like floating wafers. Right, so no, it's not, just serrated keeping driver. Sorry, we've got a serrated and then a drunken spool, but the top half serrated. We've got a serrated driver with lots of serrations, and number 4 we've got lots of serrations, but they're quite wide. And then number 5 we've got a spool that's got serrations on both sides, with a steel copper for number 3 and a steel for 5. These two are steel. I can see them in the Bible, but I can't pull them out. Well, gantry, my friend, that was an awesome lock. A lock, I should say. Really, really fun to pick, but that was really, really well a challenge. That was great. I mean, it's worn me out, that one. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.